Do not use Oberlo when you're dropshipping. A lot of people on YouTube recommend when you're starting a store to use Oberlo, but Oberlo costs money. It costs money after you fulfill 50 orders in 1 month, and I have a solution for you to save a little bit of money. I know when I was first starting out, I didn't have the budget to pay for all these expensive apps and afford them. So in this video, I want to walk you guys through a free alternative, in my opinion, that is better than Oberlo, way better, and it works way more efficiently and will save you time and save you money because it is free. So we're gonna get into that right now. What's going on, guys? Sebastian Escueda here. So in today's video, like I said, we're gonna walk through an Oberlo alternative. I think a lot of people have the presumption that Oberlo is the only Aliexpress to Shopify connecting platform that you can use that's efficient, but that is not true. That was true, but about a year ago, a new app was developed that was created by Aliexpress that basically eliminated the need for Oberlo in itself, which is called De-essers. I'll put a picture up right here. It's called De-essers, D-S-E-R-S. It is a free app that allows you to sync your Aliexpress account with your Shopify account for free. It doesn't cost you a thing, and you can run it for free. It's very simple to set up. You get to map out all of your shipping settings for each product individually. You get to do basically everything that you can do on Oberlo with De-essers, and you don't have to ever pay a monthly fee because Aliexpress owns it. So they're almost incentivizing you to just use that app because of the fact that they're already gonna make money on you on Aliexpress. So this app, again, very easy to set up. There are many videos on YouTube on how to set it up, so I don't really feel the need to get on my computer and do that. But I just wanted to mention this because not a lot of people knew this exists, and this will save you an extra 30, maybe 30 bucks a month, which if you only have $100, that's 30% of your whole potential. That's 30% of your whole working capital. So that is why I do believe you guys should switch to De-essers. Very simple to use. One of the cool things I like is I'm able to select all the orders that I have and place the order for them all at once, which with Oberlo, they usually fulfill one by one, which means there's a ton of bank transactions on my bank statements, which makes it a little more difficult to manage when I'm filing taxes. But when I have De-essers synced up and working, I can actually place the order as one. So if I'm fulfilling 100 orders, maybe I can place the order with one click and it pays for them all at once and fulfills them all at once, which is very nice because it cleans up my bank statements and makes them look nice and tidy with just bigger transactions rather than a ton of micro ones, which in 2017 was a big issue for me because I didn't have a trustworthy bank account since I was under 18. So doing a ton of transactions, a lot of banks didn't even enjoy that I was doing that, and they actually tried to penalize me and some of my friends for doing this. So having this healthy alternative that allows you to fulfill orders more efficiently and have everything be paid for in one order, I think it's a very, very nice way to fulfill orders now in 2020. So if you guys are currently using Oberlo, I would suggest you stop. I haven't used Oberlo in almost a year now just because I figured out De-essers was a thing. You can actually sync up multiple products too. So if you have, or multiple variants. So like, let's just say you have one that's being fulfilled from the US, but that only ships to US, like one variant of a product on AliExpress. And then if people order worldwide, you can auto sync that and set it up so that if they're ordering worldwide, it automatically selects that one that's shipping out from China. That way you don't have to go in and manually edit anything as in Oberlo. I don't believe in Oberlo you can add these backup products in case a product doesn't ship to that country. I don't believe that's possible. So with De-essers, you're allowed to, which I think is very beneficial and it saves you so much time. I showed one of my buddies this app maybe a few months ago when he was doing probably like 10K a day and using Oberlo, and I was like, yo, you got to use this. It'll save you money. And it's way easier. You can fulfill all your orders at once and pay one time. And that's literally as simple as it gets. Like it doesn't get easier than that unless you're using a shipping agent. But I think this is a healthy alternative that you guys can all switch to. It doesn't cost you a dime. It actually will save you money and save you time. But that's gonna be it for this video. If you did enjoy, be sure to smash that like button so other people could potentially get recommended for this video. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button below. We're almost at 11,000 subscribers, which is awesome. I'm super hyped that I'm able to produce content that a lot of people are wanting to consume and see and learn from, which is nice. And if you guys have any comments or video recommendations, drop those in the comment section below. I won't be able to film this weekend, which means I have to film all of my videos today. So I'm gonna be grinding out and not posting them today, but just having them all edited and ready to go, which is going to be a grind, but I will get it done. So look forward to videos every single day as usual. My bad for not posting yesterday. I took the day off because of the fact that a fellow dropshipping YouTuber, Chris Waller, aka King Com, had passed away on Monday. I heard about it yesterday. It was very unfortunate to hear. I personally, this was a very weird thing that happened. I didn't think I had ever talked to him, but in around April of 2018, before he even started his YouTube or anything like that, I was one of the first dropshipping YouTubers, and he actually reached out to me on Instagram and was like, yo, I had my first $3,000 month with influencers, like how can I grow this and whatever, and I gave him some advice, and we had some long talks and stuff, and it's unfortunate that he had passed. I saw him grow so quickly, and it's just nuts to look back at where he was and where he got to. It's unfortunate that he passed. He achieved a lot, but yeah, that's tough. It was very hard for me to see that happen because, you know, he was 21, turning 22 in June. I'm only 19. I'll be turning 21 in maybe 2 years, which is that's crazy. I can't really imagine passing away in like a year and a half or 2 years. That's just super short life. But that is basically why I didn't post yesterday. I posted it on my Instagram. Like, I was super shocked that this happened. So hope you guys did enjoy this video again, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Again, I'm going to be grinding these out today, so it's going to be a freaking grind for me, just filming all day. So look forward to those videos, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.